Hi, good evening. My name is Samdesh Kumar Nishad. I am IT engineer, trainer, life coach, and motivational speaker. For last 10 years, I am working in the health area also. So I make many video in the many series is there. Uh, this is success, motivation, sales and marketing, problem solving technique, business, finance and investment, education, qualification, basic IT, parenting, health and future. So health already created one video, keynote video health 001. Now this is 002. So now this is the video 002. This is the very unique case I solved. I'm using this device. This is the frequency device. Is from the Germany, and it is a game changer actually. I'm clear more than 30 to 40 patients, and my most of the patient is basically is a mental health problem. Mental health problem is not meaning a person is mad. There is 110 types of mental problem as per the WHO. If you are getting angry also is a mental problem. If you are not listener, you keep on talking to yourself, that is also mental problem. You should be very good listener. If your sleep is break many time in the night, that is also the mental problem. That is called the insomnia. Recently, I cured one patient. She sleeps 6 o'clock in the morning up to evening 3 o'clock. His clock is same. His pineal gland having the problem. There is a bacteria was there in the pineal gland. He changed the clock. Pineal gland is actually for the clock. So bacteria was there. So I use this device. I send some frequency. This bacteria is killer. This bacteria, there is no antibiotic for that. That is a unique case. But today I am going to show one testimonial. This is very unique. There is one lady, is 85-year-old lady having the 5 children. Unfortunately, the first children is passed away because of the mental problem. But this mental problems transferred to the other 2 children. So the second child, this one is last 10 years he never come out from the house. He's staying in the house only. You surprise. 2 weeks before I start his treatment, when I go to the house, he's just seeing the one side only. He's not responding. He's not talking, not responding, nothing. So I start the treatment. Then I call them. They say, yeah, my son is doing very well. Now he's responding. His total activity is changed. Now he's responding. Look like normal. Then immediately I go. I just take the video I wanted to show you. I'm very happy to show for this video, and I'm very happy today actually. I solved a very big problem. What I'll do, I'll not waste the time. Just attaching the video here. Hello, hi. I reached to Meenakshi auntie house. So actually the Meenakshi auntie is actually passing very hard time last 20 years. He is having the 5 children, and unfortunately his first son is passed away because of the mental problem. So his another 2 brother also start getting this problem. Auntie Meenakshi with me, and his one son is here, one other son also has the problem. So let's say what. So I start. Somebody introduced me. So I start giving the treatment to the heli. After this, he start improving. So what I do is I just ask Meenakshi, Madam Meenakshi, how many years this problem in your home?
Now 31.
31
Not
years.
not this house, other house also.
So your first son is passed away because of the mental problem.
Yeah.
Okay. Then when he passed away, how many years before?
10 years.
10 years before. So now he is beside you. He is sitting. Who is he?
Is my son.
What is his name?
Yana citizen.
So how I came to know that last 10 years he never go out. So I bring him out. Then he go out, and after this he by his own come back. So do you think it's heli which I give the treatment is improved to your son?
Yeah.
Is improved to your son? So what difference you are seeing in your son? He is more alert now.
Yeah.
And last time he is not talking much. Now he start talking to you also. And when you go to the kitchen, he asks, "Mommy, what you are cooking?" Also, na?
Yeah.
That is a very good. Last time he never asked the same.
Yeah.
Okay. So, so I'm here with this family last 2 weeks. So I give the treatment of the heli. So this is the improvement is come. So, Auntie, do you want your son also pass a normal life with the other?
Yeah.
I know your financial condition is very very bad. So do you want that your son also go for work
Yeah.
and support your family? Okay, Mr. Shankar, do you think you can work and support your mother?
Yeah.
You can. You can. Are you scared to go outside the house?
No, no.
No. So if you send you somewhere else, then you come back by his own by taking MRT and this one. Just now I go outside, I've sent you, then after this you come back by own.
Yeah.
So with everything, your mind and everything is working fine. Okay. So, okay, what I do is, I bringing his elder brother, Mr. Khana. Mr. Khana.
Chana.
Khana, please come here and tell something. Okay. Now his elder brother, Mr. Khana is here.
Yes.
Khana, what do you do, Mr. Khana?
I'm a freelance accountant.
Accountant.
Yeah.
So how long you are doing this job?
My career was this, 30, 40 years.
So I am proud that Mr. Ghana is take care of his brother. Now he is last 10 years he is feeding to him and take care of him. One more other brother. And because Mr. Ghana sacrificed, he never married also
Yes.
because of this problem. So I came your house 2 weeks before. I
Yeah.
gave you the heli treatment.
Yes.
Do you find it is useful?
Yes.
It is useful.
Yes.
What the difference you see to Mr. Your brother Shankar?
Yeah, he's now asking questions.
Asking question. Okay. Last time you go to the IMH also for the treatment.
That was many years ago.
Then after the you do very long, but it's effect to you. But your brother cannot come to the normal to go outside and work.
Yes.
So now you are very happy that your son brother is being okay. At
Yeah.
least he can do some job
Yeah.
and support the family.
Yeah.
I know your financial condition very very bad.
Yeah.
I'm very much concerned for this. So any other thing you want to see? Just explain. Take this one. Anything is fine.
Yes, sir. What I can say is it's more of lack of self-confidence.
Uh-huh.
But even if he goes to work,
Uh,
need someone to bring him to work and bring him back for a while until he
Correct,
has that
correct.
confidence.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay? So the job that I would prefer if it's nearby.
Uh-huh.
That is nearby the place, it's easier.
No, no, that is not the problem. Now your brother, I go outside
Yeah.
and he is now he's being very normal. Now he's being very normal. So this is the device actually I use for your brother.
Okay.
This device is basically working on the quantum theory, and I am transmitting the therapy for his mind actually.
Okay.
So actually the mind is chakra was blocked. I cleared the chakra, and other the chakra was blocked clear. Then after it, I am giving the frequency to the mind in such a way that what is the blockage that is clear. So now he is out of scared. He is not scared now.
Okay.
Now he is very independent. So what you request from the Singapore government? Singapore government help you to get some job, something like cleaning or something like this,
Yeah.
which help to the society, is help to your family also.
Yes.
Okay, just say something to the Singapore government.
Okay, I would prefer if he can become more independent and get a simple cleaning job, something like that. So that he can slowly develop his self-confidence.
Self-confidence. Then he will mix up with the society.
Yes.
You want to mix up with the society? You want the friend, is it? Okay, very good. Can you tell something? You tell something. Tell something. Say what about how you are feeling now? Last 2 weeks.
I feel better.
You feel better. So now you want to work.
Yes.
So you want the Singapore government help you to get the job.
Yes.
You are ready to do any job, cleaning, hospital or somewhere anywhere else.
Yes.
Okay. So this way you can help to the society
Yes.
and you can earn money for your home also.
Yes.
and you can make your friend also, and you pass the normal life.
Yeah.
Just say to the Singapore government, please
Please
help me
help me
to get a job
to get a job
for cleaning.
for cleaning.
And I know Singapore is a fine country,
I know Singapore is a fine country,
clean country.
clean country.
So even
So
even I am not very good,
so you
are not very good, but not so bad,
not so bad.
that I will make a clean environment for the Singapore people.
That I will make a clean environment for Singapore.
I promise to the Singapore government and society,
I promise the Singapore government and society,
please give me one chance.
please give me one chance.
I become a normal man.
I become a
Okay. So actually, listen, Mr. Shankar is very normal now. And now if you see the 2 weeks before, he was in very bad condition. I came here, even he is not talking, no sound is coming, nothing, and he is seeing only one side in the wall and all this thing. Now he become very normal. So I request to Singapore government, please help. And one person become independent and take care of his mother also. Mother is also 82-year-old, and the brother also. And this family is a very financial condition is very bad. Okay.
thanks. Thanks.
Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share to your other friends or relatives, and later I give my phone number. Please refer and give me a chance to work for this type of people, so that they will be independent. This will be the thing. I really appreciate and forward this video. Thank you very much. Hello, hi. Yeah, as I tell earlier that there is a one family, there is a two brother. He is having the mental problem. So his mother called me and asked me what help I can do. So I hear Mr. Shankar, the elder son. So I give the treatment of the heli, and after this he is better. Now he can recognize. Last 10 years he never go out of the house. Then after he start going to the house and he is responding. Now Mr. Shankar desire is he want a normal life. He want to be a normal life. He want to go outside and work for the society and work for his the support to the family. So Mr. Shankar is what I found is he deserve to do the job and pass the normal life. So I will ask the Mr. Shankar how he can support the society. Mr. Shankar. So Mr. Shankar, can you tell your full name?
J. Gana Siva Shankar.
Mr. Gana Siva Shankar, how you are feeling after my treatment?
I feel bit better.
What better means you start recognizing the thing and you can communicate also.
Yes, sir.
And last 10 years you never go out of the house. Now you start feeling to go out and meet the society and go outside, is it? Okay.
Yes.
Mr. Shankar, if I help you and this government support you to get the job, do you want to do the job?
Yes, I do.
You want to do, huh? So what job you can do? Some cleaning jobs are you ready to do?
Yes, I do.
So you will support and you clean the Singapore, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Mr. Shankar is look like very normal. I bring out very far from his house. Later he will go to his house by own. Means he can recognize the thing. He can recognize, he can understand, and he wanted to pass a normal life. So I hope from the society, I hope from the Singapore government, please give him a chance. He is now better. His mental condition is better. Now he can work and he support his family. And he will not be the burden of the family. What do you think, Mr. Shankar? You very happy for this? If the government help you and the society accept to you,
Yes, sir.
do you want the society accept to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you want to work for the society.
Yes, sir.
You clean the hospital, whatever the job the government will provide to you.
Yes.
Why you want some money also
Yes, sir.
to support your mother, is it?
Yes.
Your mother is not working, is it?
No, no.
So your mother, at least you earn and give money to the mother so that she can take care of the family.
Yes.
So what other thing you want to say, Mr. Shankar?
Nothing.
Nothing. Huh? Just say thanks to me, na. I do. Yeah. So Mr. Shankar is giving thanks to me. Now, Mr. Shankar, I ask you to from here you go to your house. Because the 10 years you never go out of the house. Now you tell me that you are everything mentally you are okay. So this video I'll pass to the government, and the government will take care of you and provide some job. Now you prove that you can go to your house. Okay. No, the Mr. Shankar is going. Okay, go ahead, go ahead. Mr. Shankar is going to his house by his own. Miss Emery, whatever his memory, everything is come back. Just for the info, his elder brother is having the same problem and he lost his life. So after this, Mr. Shankar got the shock. This shock is go to this brain, and they think that his family and other things say he is totally out of the thing. He cannot do anything. But I give the treatment of the heli. Now he's okay. He's going. See, I am running behind. Now he is going for his own to the house. Let's see he can reach or not. Hello. Yeah. So now Mr. Shankar is come back house. Now he is going to his house now. Now he is reached his house independently. Okay. Okay. You saw this mother and this man. Now he is very curious to go in the society. Last time he is very scared to go in the society. Now he is very curious to go inside. He don't want to be liability for his family. Now he wanted to do the cleaning job also. He is very happy to do. So later I will see how the Singapore government has help him, and I accept this type of people. Give him the chance to come back in the society and become independent. And this is my phone number and WhatsApp and email. If you have some people around you like this, please contact me. I will go to the house. I will give this service to him. Okay. I am not a doctor, but this device and the God is blessed me to help this type of people. So I am not only working for this mental, but any pain problem, lungs, liver, kidney problem, have a stone problem, and the anti-aging. Your age is very advanced. Suppose 50-year-old, your body working 60-year-old. I can reverse the thing, and I very much specialize in the sleeping problem and the stress. I'm telling you, 99.91 problem is coming because of the stress. When you have a stress, you cannot sleep, and when the stress will go on the top level, that is called the exhaustion. Breaking the exhaustion and stress removal, all the problem is solved. It automatic, you will become the normal. So thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate this video you forward to your friends or relative, and as much many people as, so that society will be benefited for this. Okay, thank you very much.